Sorry, you guys. I am still under the weather. But hey, you guys, happy Monday. I was supposed to go on Instagram Live, but as a lot of you guys know, I've been sick and I'm still a little under the weather. And I just felt like I was going to just record this and post it for you guys so that you will have it. And then I'm going to go back into my hiatus. So welcome to my channel. We're going to go over this week's market. I already have Forex Factory pulled up to check the news for the week. And then we're going to go ahead and go over a few pairs, starting with the crypto market because it's already pulled up. So obviously today there's nothing to worry about. I don't even trade on Mondays, so I don't really care about the news for today. I usually look for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Those are the days that I mainly trade. If I do take any trades outside of those days, it's usually in the crypto market because the crypto market literally it moves how it moves, and I don't really focus on specific days to trade the crypto market. So the pairs for the week that I will be trading will be NZDUSD, of course, and GBPUSD. And I'm gonna cover gold for you guys as well because I know y'all love gold. And of course, like I said, Ripple. So those will be the pairs that we'll be going over. Right now, I'm just looking for any news that I need to worry about for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, like I said, pertaining any of the Forex pairs that I listed. So there's some USD news. FOMC does potentially affect the market. So possible sales maybe for tomorrow. We will see when I go look at some pairs. And y'all also forgive me, my brain is still super foggy and just so if I sound all over the place, it's because my brain is just So anyways, OPEC meetings all day. So this week's market, I don't know, we will see. Maybe a bearish market for the week. And it's pretty much just USD news to worry about. It's nothing else that, is a concern. So that's good to know. Oh, and NZD right here, I didn't see this. So not too much news to worry about for the week. I'm probably gonna check it the day of when I enter those trades again. I just wanted to get an idea of things. So let's go into trading view and actually look at the market. Let me delete that because that is nothing. Now, you guys, Ripple just did literally an insane sale. Like literally an insane sale. And I personally, now I normally trade the 15-minute chart, but I always check the weekly just to see where price is overall heading. And ideally, as long as it breaks this level, you guys, Ripple might go down to almost 20 cents or even past like 20 cents. So I am definitely watching out for that. Let me go down to the 15-minute. I already know we're looking for sales, so I don't really need to, I don't need to check the day or anything. I know the overall trend is down, like I said. And I'm actually gonna write it right here, or draw it, I should say. So this thing should continue to sell. This is a very sloppy, not even sloppy, it's a lazy analysis. But y'all forgive me. This is gonna be super brief. I am so under the weather still, like trying to get better. And I'm not even about to get in this trade. I'm probably gonna trade tomorrow. But I just like to draw stuff out and come back and see if it worked out. And as you can see, I set this pretty small. So I'm just gonna see what happens. I'm not pressed to trade the cryptos right now. I already missed most of the sale, so I'm not worried about it. If anything, I'm looking to get in for the buy when it does happen, so I can ride that thing all the way up. So now that I just said that, I'm actually gonna mark the weekly just so I can be on the lookout for the reversal of this thing. Because once it gets, if it goes down to here, it's literally gonna buy so insane. But that's, like I said, if cancel. That's, like I said, if it goes that low. I do believe it's very possible though, because I don't think this thing is done selling. And once it breaks this point, it's game over. But this is the absolute lowest that it's been. So once it gets there, it's like, okay, it should start reversing soon. Yep, so this is definitely probably gonna keep selling. I'm almost tempted to actually trade it. My zones look so big because I drew them on a higher time frame. Yeah, so Ripple is bearish, you guys. Let me go to NZDUSD because that's like the actual pair I really need to analyze, because I'm gonna be trading it this week heavily. This is the baby. Let me check the day chart. So still bearish. It's been selling, I think, for the week. Yeah, because I did catch sales last week. Duh. Yeah, so still selling. Should go down. I'm still waiting for it to go down this low. Can't wait to, I can't wait till tomorrow. I don't trade on Mondays, man. Mondays is the days I analyze. Different strokes for different folks. So I'm gonna bring this down here because I never take trades when price is in between my zones. I wait till it gets to where it needs to be. Because those weren't like where they needed to be. Yeah, so this should go down here. And then, now of course, y'all, I said it was gonna go all the way down to 50-some cents. So that zone I drew in was from the weekly. So it's gonna be all the way down here. And the reason it's so big is because I drew it on a weekly. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to first make sure that this, I'm actually gonna see how far apart these are. Yep, they're usually about 60 pips or so. And what I'm gonna do is take this and go down about 60 pips, which will put me at about 62,800. And I'm gonna take this and put it right here. So that'll be my ideal target entry. I mean, target point, exit point. Y'all know, the TP. So we will see how this plays out, how long it takes, what this does. And I'm also going to take this and put this here, just in case it goes back and tests up here. And then that way, when tomorrow comes, I will be already ready. It's Stay ready so you don't have to get ready, okay? Moving along, NZDUSD bearish, Ripple bearish, GBPUSD next. Trying to see. I don't know if I have anything marked on here. I was trying to make sure my zones weren't gonna just pop up, but it looks like I don't have anything marked on here. I don't know if I traded GBPUSD last week. Let me check my well, not even last week, because I didn't trade last week. So this is actually going back to the week before last, because last week I was super sick. Excuse me. So yeah, I haven't traded GBP in a while. It's been like a week or two. I don't know why my chart is gone though. Maybe I deleted it and don't remember. So what I'm gonna do is right now price is here. So what this tells me is, looking at what's happened back here, this thing could go down lower still. It could go down to at least about $1.19-ish. So let me check the day. Yeah, overall trend is down. Still a lot of sellers momentum. Not a lot of bullish candles at all. So I'm gonna go back to the 15-minute. And it's actually selling right now, perfect. This would have been a perfect entry. And I'll probably put this about here just because I noticed that's where a push-up takes place. I try to average these 100 pips apart. I don't know if I set it 100 pips apart or not. Oh, it's actually more. That works too. So I have that. And I'm gonna also put another one up here just so I can have 3 zones. And I'm just going back to make sure that these are accurate. Yep, so now, since I just said that this thing can go down lower, what I'm gonna do is, water, y'all, my throat is just not having it. Right. I hate this for me. That's why I just like to stay in my bubble and don't be around people, because when I get sick, it's just like, hate it. Anyways, so even though I said this could go to $1.19 at least, I am going to just set my zones, you know, the same length apart for the most part. I don't like how that looks, so I'm gonna redo this because I can't see. I couldn't see where I want to place it. So I put it like right there. And then I'll put this right here. So boom. Now I'm gonna set my alert. Since I believe and know, because I know my strategy, I'm going to set my alert down here. And that way, once it gets down there, hopefully by tomorrow, because I don't want to take no trades today. So hopefully it gets down there tomorrow, and then I'll be able to get my entry before a sale, depending on what happens, because you know we don't predict, y'all, we react. So hopefully whatever happens here will let me know that this is going to keep selling. So right now, in my opinion, this is also bearish as well. And it should sell down to $1.19. And I'm being realistic with myself and shooting for $1.21. And then, you know, from that point, if it shows me, then, you know, we could try to go all the way to that 19. I lock in my profit. So Ripple bearish, NZDUSD bearish, GBPUSD bearish. Now we're gonna go over gold. I'm sorry, y'all. So gold. I went over gold last week, so I love to go back and see, what it does, because I don't trade gold, y'all. I just know how to read the market. And from the looks of it, it's doing what I said it was gonna do. So I hope y'all have been catching these setups, because I've been giving them to y'all. And I told myself, when gold gets down here, I'm gonna look for a buy. I might actually trade gold for the first time in 3 years. Excuse me. And hopefully I don't regret it. Let me move this over. But I told y'all originally to get y'all entry up here. I came back and marked it up again, got this pullback, and I was just selling. And of course, like I said, y'all, it's gonna go to 1750. Like, without a doubt, it's gonna go to 1750. It's just gonna take the rest of this month, probably, maybe the next week or two, but definitely gonna go down to 1750. So y'all just catch the sale, because it will be more profitable for you to do so. So y'all, this is a very quick video. I went over everything that I was gonna trade this week. And because I don't want to die in y'all ears and I sound terrible, I'm going to conclude this. And if there's any questions, leave them in the comments. Sorry, y'all. If there's any questions, leave them in the comments. And always message me on Instagram and keep up with me on Instagram, you guys. And I hope you have an amazing, profitable trading week. I will see you in the next video, and hopefully I don't sound like I'm dying. Take care.